What's up, guys? This client just purchased this vehicle from a shop that specializes in high-end PPF installs. Client spent close to 12 grand, and it's probably the worst job I've ever seen. I'm going to show you every single bit that's wrong with this car. All right, so we're going to start off with this general area here. We got cut marks along the windshield area here. We got dirt that's embossed on this edge. We got another cut mark here. And we're not going to focus on all the smaller things. We're going to talk about the major stuff. So we got an edge that's completely exposed here. So in that high impact area, all these edges are supposed to be covered. So this was an area of concern for the client because it's in a high impact area. So we got exposed edges still here, exposed edges here. We got cut marks along this whole body line here. We got cut marks on this side. We got another cut mark here. We got PPF that's lifting here. They actually trimmed this area when it went back because it was lifting, and there's still glue residue behind left. So for this area, the way we'd do it is we'd lay this area, we'd do a relief cut along this edge and tuck the material in here. They actually told the client because the paint's thinner here, we can't PPF. We got cut marks around the door handle, around the keyhole. We got edges that are lifting here. We got this whole area that's exposed. So this area isn't actually terrible, but what I want to show you guys is that they actually wrapped this edge completely fine. On the other side, they actually left exposed paint, right? So one of the major things is if you're gonna do something, you gotta mirror both sides, make it look like it was meant to be. So if you look here, all of this is the exposed paint. They actually kind of fucked up here and they put some touch-up paint over that. Got a complete exposed edge here and here as well. They actually cut short for some reason, but on the other side, it's actually wrapped. You got edges that are lifting all the way along here, edges that are lifting here. We've got cut mark here and a cut mark on this corner as well. So we got this whole area that's exposed. We actually told the client you can't wrap any further, which is a complete lie. So basically what you would do actually in this scenario is do a full custom cut and actually tuck it in there and then cut it. So you would never see this edge here or here. We got an edge that's completely exposed along here. We got a cut mark here, and all this area is all jagged, but on the other side, it's fully wrapped. And we got this whole edge that's jaggedy. You got creases along every fold, crease there, crease here. You got crease at the bottom. You got cut marks. And for a shop that claims to do custom cut, they clearly can't. Areas here and here that are completely exposed, they told the client you can't wrap this area because it's a deep recess, which is a complete lie. So there's a lot more wrong with this car, but what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and rectify these issues. We're going to do a full removal of the PPF and install